Baking soda and lemon juice are powerful natural allies in the garden. Together or separately, they can help with pest control, cleaning, soil treatment, and more. Natural, safe, and surprisingly effective, here are the 13 best uses for baking soda and lemon juice in the garden. 1. Natural fungicide for powdery mildew. To use lemon juice or baking soda as a natural fungicide for powdery mildew, you can create simple, effective sprays that are safe for most garden plants. For a baking soda solution, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of mild liquid soap, like Castile or dish soap, in 1 liter, about 4 cups of water. Spray this mixture generously onto affected leaves, making sure to coat both the tops and undersides. Baking soda alters the pH on the leaf surface, making it inhospitable for fungal spores to thrive. Alternatively, for a lemon juice spray, combine 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with 1 liter of water and a few drops of liquid soap. Spray this directly on the mildew-affected areas. The natural acidity of lemon juice helps kill fungal growth while being gentle on most plants. Apply either treatment every 5 to 7 days until the mildew clears up, preferably in the morning or late afternoon, to avoid leaf burn in direct sun. 2. Ant repellent. Lemon juice and baking soda are excellent natural ant repellents that work by disrupting the scent trails ants rely on to navigate. To use lemon juice, mix equal parts lemon juice and water in a spray bottle and apply it along ant trails, entry points, windowsills, and around doorways. The strong citrus scent masks the pheromone trails ants follow, making it difficult for them to return. For a more targeted approach using baking soda, mix equal parts baking soda and powdered sugar and place the mixture in shallow containers near ant paths. The sugar attracts the ants, while the baking soda interferes with their digestion, eventually killing them. These methods are pet and kid-safe alternatives to chemical repellents, and they can be reapplied as needed to maintain control over ant infestations. 3. Repel cats and raccoons. Lemon juice and baking soda can be used as natural, non-toxic repellents to keep cats and raccoons out of your garden. Lemon juice is especially effective due to its strong citrus scent, which both animals dislike. Mix equal parts lemon juice and water in a spray bottle and apply it around garden beds, trash bins, fence lines, or anywhere you've noticed animal activity. You can also soak cotton balls in lemon juice and place them strategically around your yard. Baking soda can help as well by neutralizing odors that might attract raccoons, such as food scraps or compost smells. Just sprinkle it in trash cans or on damp, smelly spots. While not a repellent scent on its own, baking soda helps eliminate attractants that bring these animals in the first place. Reapply the lemon spray every few days, especially after rain, to keep your garden a no-go zone for unwanted furry visitors. 4. Weed control. Lemon juice and baking soda can be used as natural chemical-free options for controlling weeds in your garden. Lemon juice, with its high acidity, acts as a natural herbicide by drying out and killing the leaves of unwanted plants. Simply pour or spray undiluted lemon juice directly onto the weeds on a hot, sunny day for the best results. Just be careful to avoid desirable plants, as lemon juice is non-selective and can harm anything it touches. Baking soda works best for small, young weeds growing in cracks or between pavers. Sprinkle it generously over damp weeds, especially in driveways or walkways, where it will dehydrate and inhibit further growth. For stubborn weeds, a combination of both, lemon juice followed by a dusting of baking soda, can provide extra power. Repeat treatments may be needed every couple of weeks to keep weeds in check. 5. Compost accelerator. Lemon juice and baking soda can be used carefully to help balance and speed up composting, acting as mild compost accelerators when applied in moderation. Lemon juice, being acidic, can help break down tough organic materials like leaves and vegetable scraps more quickly by lowering the pH slightly and encouraging microbial activity. However, only small amounts should be added, as too much acid can harm the beneficial bacteria that decompose the pile. You can mix a few tablespoons of lemon juice with water and sprinkle it over dry or slow decomposing compost layers. Baking soda, on the other hand, can help neutralize foul odors in overly acidic or smelly compost, especially from food scraps or wet greens. Add no more than a tablespoon at a time, mixing it into the pile to avoid raising the pH too much, which could slow decomposition. Used in balance, lemon juice and baking soda can help maintain a healthy compost pile that breaks down faster and smells fresher. 6. Clean and revitalize garden tools. Lemon juice and baking soda are excellent natural cleaners for garden tools, helping to remove rust, sap, and grime without harsh chemicals. To clean and revitalize your tools, make a paste by mixing baking soda with a small amount of water until it forms a thick scrub. Apply this paste to the metal parts of shovels, pruners, or trowels, and use a stiff brush or steel wool to scrub away dirt and rust. For added power, squeeze fresh lemon juice over the paste just before scrubbing. The acidic lemon reacts with the baking soda to create a fizzing action that lifts stubborn residue. After cleaning, rinse tools thoroughly with water, dry them completely, and apply a light coat of vegetable oil or mineral oil to prevent future rust. Regular cleaning with this natural method not only keeps your tools in top shape, but also extends their lifespan and improves performance in the garden. 7. Root rot and fungal soil treatment. Lemon juice and baking soda can both be used as gentle, natural treatments for root rot and fungal issues in soil. For a baking soda soil soak, dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 1 liter, about 4 cups of water, and use it to water the base of plants showing signs of root rot, such as yellowing leaves or mushy roots. Baking soda helps by raising the soil's pH slightly, creating an environment less favorable to fungal growth. For infected roots, you can also remove the plant, rinse off the roots, and soak them in the same solution for 15 to 20 minutes before replanting in fresh soil. Lemon juice, due to its acidity, can be used to spot treat fungal patches in soil. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 2 cups of water and pour it directly on problem areas, avoiding plant stems. Always use these treatments sparingly, as overuse can disrupt soil pH and harm beneficial microbes. Used correctly, they can help suppress fungal infections and give your plants a better chance of recovery. 8. Refresh bird baths and water features. Lemon juice and baking soda are perfect for naturally refreshing bird baths and water features, keeping them clean and safe for birds and other wildlife. To clean a bird bath, sprinkle baking soda over the surface, then scrub with a damp sponge or brush to remove algae, mineral buildup, and grime. For extra cleaning power and a fresh scent, add a few tablespoons of lemon juice, which acts as a natural disinfectant and helps cut through stubborn stains. After scrubbing, rinse thoroughly with clean water to remove all residue before refilling. This chemical-free method ensures your bird bath remains a safe, inviting spot for birds to drink and bathe while preventing algae growth and buildup over time. Regular monthly cleaning with lemon juice and baking soda keeps water features sparkling and wildlife-friendly. 9. Be Safe Wasp Repellent. Lemon juice and baking soda can be used to create a natural Be Safe Wasp repellent that discourages wasps without harming beneficial pollinators. Wasps dislike strong citrus scents, so mixing equal parts lemon juice and water in a spray bottle and applying it around outdoor seating areas, garden furniture, trash bins, and eaves can help keep them at bay. You can also soak cotton balls in lemon juice and place them in small containers or mesh bags around patios or picnic areas. For added effect, sprinkle baking soda in shallow dishes with a few drops of lemon juice nearby. The fizzing reaction releases a scent that wasps find unpleasant, but bees are generally not bothered by. Unlike chemical sprays, this natural approach won't harm bees or contaminate your plants, making it a safe option for pollinator-friendly gardens. Reapply every few days or after rain for continued protection. 10. Cockroach and earwig control. Lemon juice and baking soda offer safe, natural ways to control cockroaches and earwigs in and around your garden or home. For cockroach control, mix equal parts baking soda and powdered sugar and place the mixture in shallow containers near areas where you've seen roaches. The sugar lures them in, while the baking soda reacts with their digestive system, ultimately killing them. For earwigs, sprinkle baking soda in moist, dark corners of sheds, greenhouses, or under pots where they like to hide. This creates an inhospitable environment. To deter both pests, spray a mixture of lemon juice and water along baseboards, doorways, and outdoor garden beds. The strong citrus scent repels them naturally without harming plants, pets, or beneficial insects. Refresh the treatments weekly or after rain for continued effectiveness. 11. Fruit fly and fungus gnat trap. Lemon juice and baking soda can be combined to create an effective, natural trap for fruit flies and fungus gnats that often plague indoor plants and compost bins. To make the trap, fill a small bowl or shallow dish with lemon juice and add a few drops of liquid soap to break the surface tension, causing the tiny flies to sink and drown when they land. While baking soda isn't typically used directly in the trap, sprinkling a small amount around the base of plants or near compost piles can help reduce odors that attract these pests. Place the lemon juice trap near infested plants, fruit bowls, or compost bins to lure and capture flies. Replace the liquid every few days to keep it fresh and maintain its effectiveness in controlling these nuisance insects naturally and safely. 12. Slug and snail barrier. Lemon juice and baking soda can help create natural barriers to deter slugs and snails from damaging your garden plants. To use baking soda, simply sprinkle a generous ring of it around the base of vulnerable plants or garden beds. The baking soda acts as a dehydrating agent, irritating the soft bodies of slugs and snails, which discourages them from crossing the barrier. For lemon juice, you can spray a diluted solution, about 1 part lemon juice to 3 parts water, around plants or garden paths, as the acidic scent and taste repel these pests. While lemon juice isn't as abrasive as baking soda, it can help reinforce the barrier and discourage slugs and snails from lingering. Reapply both treatments after rain or watering to maintain an effective defense without using harmful chemicals. 13. Aphid and mite spray. Lemon juice can be combined to create a gentle, natural spray that helps control aphids and mites on your garden plants. To prepare the spray, mix 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of mild liquid soap, such as Castile soap, and 2 cups of water in a spray bottle. The acidity of the lemon juice helps weaken the soft bodies of these pests, while the soap helps the solution stick to leaves and suffocate them. Spray the mixture thoroughly on the affected plants, especially on the undersides of leaves where aphids and mites often gather. Apply the spray in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid leaf burn, and repeat every 5 to 7 days until the infestation subsides. This natural remedy is safe for most plants and helps reduce reliance on chemical pesticides. Thanks for watching. Using natural remedies like lemon juice and baking soda is an easy, affordable, and eco-friendly way to keep your garden healthy and pest-free without harsh chemicals. Whether you're tackling powdery mildew, repelling ants and slugs, or controlling aphids and mites, these simple ingredients can make a big difference. Give these tips a try and let me know in the comments how they worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural gardening hacks. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video on Vicks Vapor Rub for pest removal.